Let's assume you come on the internet today looking for ways to make money online. The first thing you want to do is to go over to ChatGPT and type in something like, can you give me 10 winning product ideas that are currently selling? ChatGPT is going to generate you ideas of what you actually asked for. So let us take the first one right here that is actually generated for us, which is office supplies. That means that office supply is currently trendy right now. So what you are going to do is to head over to Amazon, one of the biggest e-commerce platform. So what you want to do is to search for the product if it is good. So you can see that the product is ranking well and is actually a good one to sell. So let us choose this first one right here. So after clicking on it, it will bring you here to this product page. We have a cute office chair here. So just go and search for the product in AliExpress. As you can see, we have varieties of selling products to choose from. So let us click on this eye-catching one. It is selling for just 80 cents, and if you check it on Amazon is selling their own for $44. And you can sell this product on Amazon, you can sell this product on eBay, you can sell on Shopify. So guys, we went from being clueless about how to make money on the internet today to actually getting a product idea from ChatGPT, like a very smart artificial intelligence tool, to taking that idea to Amazon to search if the product is currently trending. As simple as that. There's something about e-commerce, there's a misconception about e-commerce. People feel like it is so complicated, but in reality it is actually not, and it is one of the best way for you to make money online, like now currently. So the second way to make use of this AI tool to make money online is through email newsletter. In case you are not familiar with what email newsletter is, it's a composition of text and media that you send to subscribers, that you send to people that subscribe to your email. And a good email newsletter platform that you can make use of and you can monetize is Substack. I personally use Substack and I think it is a very good one to use. So when it comes to running your email newsletter business, you can run it from anywhere in the world, from the comfort of your home, in your bedroom. And when it comes to you using artificial intelligence, which is a bestie, ChatGPT, to run it, to ChatGPT and ask it to give you ideas that you can use to run your email newsletter business. It will also give you follow-up email that you can send to your subscribers. So let me share an example of someone that has a monetized email newsletter business. So if you come over to this person's Facebook page, they have this email newsletter on their Facebook page, as you can see, and they also have an Instagram page, and their name is 15 minutes manifestation meditation by Hedi Segi. So this is an example of the email newsletter that they send to people every day and follow up email newsletter. So if you click on a random email and let's see how they monetize this email. If we click on this page right here, it will take us to a ClickBank product. And if you don't know what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate platform where you can affiliate your products and get paid for it. So they actually have a ClickBank product right here. Okay, so let's say for example I am actually sent an email based on a topic that I enjoy, and I see a product that resonates with that topic, and if I click on it and purchase the product, the owner of this email newsletter is going to receive $48 as an affiliate. So let's say that you are someone that is passionate about sport, for example, and you have this email newsletter. So what you are going to do there is to send news to people that love that particular topic, and you always send email, like a follow-up email to them. If you are someone that wants to earn money but you want to be on a long term, for example, let's say you have $100 somewhere but you don't want to touch it and you don't want it to sit down in your savings account just like that, what you are going to do is to go to ChatGPT and ask it for financial advice. The example we are making use of today is index fund. We are going to put our money into a group of index fund, which is S&P 500. And for those of you that are not familiar with this, it's a group of 500 companies that you can spread your finances. Your $100 to spread to the group of 500. That means that you are minimizing your risk by spreading your money instead of investing into just one stock, or instead of letting the money sit down in your bank account, and you'll be able to earn your commission just by investing in S&P 500. And the best index fund that you can invest your money into, just ask ChatGPT about it. It's going to bring out So many ideas that you can, go ahead and make your researches on. So if you want me to expatiate on these 3 ways that I just said, let me know. Drop a comment. I'm always in my comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.